The reality television world has always been filled with unexpected twists, jaw-dropping confessions, and shocking behind-the-scenes secrets, but when it comes to TLC's hit show 1000 LB Sisters, few stories grab attention like those involving Amy Slayton. Known for her bubbly personality, her roller coaster weight loss journey, and her heartwarming family moments, Amy has managed to capture the hearts of fans worldwide alongside her sister Tammy Slayton. However, recent whispers and online chatter have set social media ablaze, sparking rumors that Amy Slayton may have faked her relationship with her supposed fiancé, Brian, in a desperate bid to secure another season of the show. Could it all really be a lie, crafted for the cameras and the drama that keeps viewers glued to their screens? The rumor first gained traction after fans noticed a series of inconsistencies in Amy's social media posts and televised appearances. When Amy first introduced Brian as her new love interest, many fans were thrilled for her. After her tumultuous marriage and public struggles, the idea that she had finally found happiness seemed like the perfect redemption arc. Pictures surfaced of the two spending time together, attending family events, and even sharing sweet moments in short video clips. However, eagle-eyed followers began pointing out that much of this content appeared curated, overly staged, and at times even repetitive. Viewers questioned why Brian rarely spoke in videos, why he had little to no presence outside of Amy's posts, and why no concrete details about his life were ever revealed. As online sleuths dug deeper, the situation became even murkier. Some alleged that Brian's social media accounts were either inactive or completely wiped after his debut on the show. Others pointed to a lack of public appearances or interactions with Amy's friends outside the TLC bubble. Fans on Reddit threads began speculating that the relationship could be a strategic move orchestrated by production or even Amy herself to create buzz and ensure the series maintained its momentum amid stiff competition from other reality shows. TLC has been known for its dramatic storytelling, and a fake engagement would undoubtedly provide the kind of ratings-friendly storyline producers crave. The plot thickened when sources claiming to be close to the family spoke anonymously to entertainment outlets. One insider alleged that Amy was under significant pressure to deliver a compelling storyline after Tammy's post-surgery transformation had taken center stage in recent episodes. With Tammy's health and relationship drama dominating headlines, the production team allegedly wanted Amy to have a major storyline of her own, preferably something involving romance or personal growth. They wanted a big hook, the source said. Amy needed something to keep viewers invested in her journey, and a new engagement was the perfect plot twist. Adding more fuel to the fire, some fans noticed that Amy's sister Amanda made cryptic comments on TikTok live sessions, seemingly questioning the authenticity of Amy's love life. While Amanda never directly confirmed anything, her comments like, "Yeah, I don't believe everything you see on TV," and "so Matthias things are for show," were enough to send fans into a frenzy. Could this have been a subtle confirmation that not all is as it seems in the Slayton family's public persona? Despite the growing chatter, Amy has not directly addressed the rumors. She continues to post sporadically about Brian, often in ways that feel almost like responses to fan skepticism. For example, shortly after a wave of rumors went viral, she shared a smiling selfie with Brian along with the caption, "Living my best life with my love." Fans were divided. Some took it as proof that the relationship was real, while others saw it as performative damage control. The ambiguity has only fueled more speculation, as the lack of concrete evidence either way keeps the conversation alive. Reality television experts have weighed in on the situation, noting that fabricated or exaggerated storylines are not uncommon in the genre. Dr. Martha Ellison, a media studies professor who has analyzed reality TV for over a decade, explained, producers often encourage participants to lean into narratives that will generate engagement. While not outright lying, they may guide cast members toward situations that feel heightened or scripted. The pressure to maintain relevance and ratings can blur the lines between authentic life events and staged content. In Amy's case, an engagement to Brian, whether real or embellished, would be a textbook example of creating emotional investment for the audience. Interestingly, Tammy Slayton's own post-weight loss transformation has drawn a new level of attention to the show. With Tammy now emerging as an inspirational figure after years of health struggles, some fans speculate that Amy may be feeling overshadowed. While Amy was initially the more relatable and stable sister, the dynamic has shifted dramatically. Tammy's glow-up, rumored new relationships, and personal milestones have captured the majority of headlines, leaving Amy in a challenging position to maintain her storyline's relevance. Could a made-for-TV engagement have been the solution to this imbalance? Meanwhile, Brian himself remains an enigma. Very little is publicly known about his career, background, or life outside of his association with Amy. Fans have scoured the internet for clues, turning up very little beyond the carefully crafted snippets seen on TLC or Amy's social media. This lack of verifiable information has only intensified suspicions. Some hardcore fans have even floated wild theories that Brian could be an actor or acquaintance brought in temporarily to serve as a love interest for the cameras. The debate has extended into broader conversations about the nature of reality TV and how much of it truly reflects reality. Viewers have cited other instances where TLC stars were accused of exaggerating or faking relationships, noting that the network thrives on dramatic developments that keep odd answers talking. For Amy, the fallout of this rumor, true or not, could have lasting consequences for her reputation. If proven false, fans may feel betrayed, while TLC could face criticism for manipulating viewers. For now, the Slayton family remains silent on the matter, and TLC has declined to comment on speculation about cast members' personal lives. This silence has done little to quell the frenzy, as each new episode, post, or fan sighting is dissected for hidden clues. As the season continues, the truth behind Amy's alleged engagement to Brian may eventually come to light, but until then, the line between reality and entertainment remains as blurry as ever. The shocking possibility that Amy Slayton could have faked her relationship with Brian for the sake of ratings underscores the intense pressure of reality television fame. Whether the truth emerges in a confessional episode, a social media revelation, or a behind-the-scenes leak, one thing is certain: 1000 LB Sisters fans will be watching closely, waiting for answers to the question that has set the internet ablaze. Was it all a lie? Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.